Vivo just sent me out the Vivo X200 Pro, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing video of the Vivo X200 Pro. Keep in mind that this is Mr. Who's the Boss's phone of the year for 2024, and potentially this one could be the flagship of 2025 because it's so ahead of other smartphones when it comes to camera and performance as well. This phone goes neck and neck with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, man. Trust me, I'll be doing a full review in an upcoming video, so guys, stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. But let's go. Okay man, so the box at first glance looks amazing. It looks clean, feels really premium with a nice leather design. It looks really amazing. Keep in mind, I've unboxed this, man, and I know what you guys are probably thinking, how greedy, this guy couldn't be patient. But yeah guys, I was so excited when they sent this phone to me. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing, man. Okay, so when you open up the box, you'll see the phone itself, but we're going to talk about that later on in the video. Let's put that aside for now. Now, I think this will be a case, and it's a Chinese company, and of course you'll get a free case. I wish other companies were as kind, but unfortunately that's not the case. As you can see, yeah, we got a silicone clear case, and it's not something unusual. And inside that box as well, we have these user guide manuals that we will never actually read because we're so excited to see the phone. And yeah, these we'll just put them aside as well. On that same box as well, we've got a SIM ejector tool. This is obviously to extract your SIM card. I don't know if the camera will focus nicely there, but this is the SIM ejector tool. Nice and simple. Now we got another box inside as well, and this is of course a charger. Like I said, you don't see this with other companies. Not gonna mention the names, but you guys know who I'm talking about, I'm sure. But yeah, in this we have a 90-watt charger from Vivo, which is nice and bulky, feels premium and weighty in the hand. And we also have a cable inside this. It's a USB cable to Type-C. Let me just open that up so you guys can see as well. I don't know why I'm rough when I come to unboxing videos. But yeah, as you can see, the cable is nice. It feels really premium, a nice rubbery design, but I always prefer braided cables in my opinion. Now let's get to the juicy parts, the phone itself. As you can see, I've got mine in a natural titanium color, which looks phenomenal by the way, and I love how the camera design is. But my only problem with this design is that when you're holding the phone like this, for example, the lens or camera module is a bit too big in my opinion, which makes it uncomfortable. But you must also keep in mind that in this phone we've got a 1-inch sensor, which is why we need this big camera module. But it looks nice, a phenomenal color option. Let's just power it on. I have set up this phone already, so don't expect it to be like not set up. But overall, this is the Vivo X200 Pro, guys. It looks amazing. The design is nice, it feels premium, and it's everything that you'd want. My one has got 16 gigs of RAM, and it has 512 gigs of storage, which is nice. And 512 gigs of storage is a bit of I would say overkill in my opinion, because you don't need that much storage on a phone, at least for now. But it's always good to have a lot of storage. Now we got the phone powered up. It's fast and snappy with a 120Hz refresh rate display. It's fast also because of that MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, which I told you at the start of this video is neck and neck when it comes to benchmark scores with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is amazing. So stay tuned for the full review of this phone. Make sure you're subscribed. That's it for this unboxing video. This is the Vivo X200 Pro, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about what you'd want to see in the review video of this phone, make sure you comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. If you found any value in this video, make sure you check out my other videos as well.